In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install the Rhino-Rack Long Backbone and Pioneer to a LandCruiser 300 Series Sahara ZX. Before commencing, refer to the online instruction manual and cross-check all components are supplied. The first step is to remove the factory-installed rails. Using the required tools, carefully remove the front and rear rail covers. Slowly unclip each cover from its base. Lastly, remove the centre cover. The next step is to remove the rail bolts. Using a 12mm socket spanner, loosen each bolt 1/4 turn only, before removing them all by hand. Failing to do so may result in the nut housing falling into the hood lining. Remove the centre bolt last, then carefully lift out the rail. Then carefully remove the centre rail bracket. At the front, remove the strip cover and carefully loosen the factory bolt assembly and reinsert to the next set of holes by hand before tightening with a wrench. Reattach the strip cover, then position the backbone channel bracket to the original holes. Start both supplied hex bolts by hand before securing tightly. Repeat for the middle and rear sections. Next, carefully lift the long backbone into position so that it sits evenly over the channel brackets. Loosely secure the middle section first, using the supplied bolt and Allen key. Then secure the front and rear sections. When aligned, tighten all bolts. Repeat the same process on the opposite side of the vehicle. Next, with the Pioneer facing down, adjust the crossbars to the applicable measurements of the newly installed long backbone. Then, add the supplied T-bolts, 3 per side. With assistance, carefully lift the Pioneer into place from the rear of the vehicle. Ensure the supplied bolts line up over the backbone holes and secure tightly using a ring spanner. Now that the Rhino-Rack Long Backbone and Pioneer is ready, you can attach your favourite Rhino-Rack accessories.